Yo, I am so irritated, right? I was supposed to get my hair done today. I was supposed to get knotless. I've been crying all morning. I was supposed to get knotless today, and a girl canceled on me the day of at 7 o'clock in the morning. I was supposed to be there at 10. She canceled, and she's like, oh, can you come another day? I literally have plans. I changed my plans from today to tomorrow just so I can get to this appointment. And on top of that, I booked this appointment a month ago, and you decided to text me last minute saying you got something to do. And then I've been looking all day for hairstylists, anybody that can do my hair, because I can't deal with it anymore. Like, I'm going to cut it off. And I just been looking at TikToks and stuff like that to see, like, maybe different hairstyles I can try. Because I got to a point in my life where I feel like I shouldn't have to do my own hair. I don't like braiding my hair. I don't like doing anything to my hair. I just want it to be done, sit there and get it serviced. But I can't find anybody, and we're gonna see what we can do about this. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know like what I end up doing, but I'm very frustrated. And on top of that, I fucking lost $100. Like, this is why I don't carry money. I was trying to do something for somebody else. I sent them money electronically and they gave me the money, and now I don't know where the fuck I put the money at. Like, today it definitely wasn't for me. It wasn't my day, but I don't know. I'll try to figure things out. Okay, so y'all, my lips is always breaking out. I'm always like peeling them and stretching them out and busting them. It don't even make no sense at this point. Gotta do better. But we're finna do some like simple makeup because we're finna go to the Strawberry Festival. It's just something small here in Port St. Lucie that we do. I guess this is the 5th annual. They have one in Plant City, which is way bigger than the one we have, but we missed it, so we're gonna settle. But it's okay. I'm gonna take my son out and we're gonna have a good time. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna like do my eyebrows, get them all done, throw on some lip gloss, and call it a day. So I went traveling or whatever, and I put all my makeup in a bag, my everyday makeup. But I have like a box. It's like a big box, a big makeup organizer. I just need to go through it, clean it, and all that stuff. But for right now, I ain't feeling it. So we just been doing simple makeup. I'm trying to find the products that I be using, because I literally just put a little bit of this on my eyebrows. Mascara, so this mascara, lip liner, and lip gloss. But that's when I really don't want to go too crazy, which I'm with my baby, so I don't want to go too crazy. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. I'm just all over the place right now. I did buy some earrings, but I don't know if I want to wear them. We'll see. We'll see. So I don't even know what to talk about right now. Like, it just be moments where I just want to sit in silence, and that is it. But, you know, if I'm doing YouTube and stuff like that, I can't afford to do this. Y'all, this is disgusting. So, this is my butter lip gloss from NYX. It was clear, but because I do my makeup, it ain't the best. Not no more, at least. I think our period, you recording? A little bit. I don't think. Y'all, I'm missing. I don't know where my stuff is. Lord Jesus. Please help me, child. I don't know where none of my stuff is. Oh, here you go. It's in the bag. So I got this, and in one of my bags I have my brown NYX lip liner, and I was just gonna put some, yeah, I don't know, y'all. We'll see. So I'm gonna grab this really fast, and Just play with my eyebrows a bit. Oh, they all over the place today. Oh, yeah. Brows is all over the place today. If you don't know, I always make a mess with my lashes. So look, they all over my lids. So I'll take me a wipe and I'll just boom, boom, clean it up. And I did my bottom lashes. Do my bottom lashes off camera because I'm scared, child. So yes, now my lashes is done, my eyebrows is done. I probably just need to put on some lip liner and then we'll be all set. Just gonna put some lip liner on. This is MAC Chestnut. MAC is my girl. I love her down. And then I'll probably put some of this Butter Gloss by NYX on it in the color, I don't know. I ain't even gonna say it. I ain't even gonna say it, y'all. But boom. Okay, y'all. I need a better mirror, but this fits. I got my ring that my boyfriend got me. And stuff. Of course, I love me a good waist belt. And I just realized me and my son need some black shoes because I have nothing to wear with this. Okay, so we ended up going to Elevate and it's so nice to hear. Look. What you working with, son? Ooh! Oh! Okay. So I think we are about to go to West Palm Beach and go to the Cheesecake Factory. West Palm Beach is kind of far, but I'll let y'all know when we get there. I haven't had Cheesecake Factory in so long. I cannot wait to eat her down. But plans ended up changing, so we had to figure out what was next, and we came up with this. It's kind of cool. We ended up having fun anyways. We decided we was gonna go to Cheesecake Factory, so we got Cheesecake Factory. And I ordered me a peach Bellini because you know I'm a Drake's girl, so I got to see what it's hitting for. They said only come frozen, which is not a problem because that's how he likes it. And I'm going to get me a bomb peach Bellini. And so Drake told us to get a peach Bellini. We get peach Bellinis.